In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create websites that look like this using AI. As you can see, they look beautiful, have great UI, and completely branded for your own brand. There's animations, and it looks really nice. Here's another example right here. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create these using only AI and maybe 5 minutes of your time. You can also sell these websites for around 5K a piece. These used to take weeks or even months to create, and now you can create them in a single day. So let me show you guys exactly how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is come to Google AI Studio, our good old friend over here, and this is where we're going to be creating the website using AI. Make sure you have a Google account. I'm not sure if it's still free, but even if it's not free, it's probably like 30 bucks a month, and it's really good value. So to actually pick the template of the website we want to use, we're going to go to a website called Aura.build. And once you come to Aura.build, it looks something like this. And here you can get a lot of inspiration on what a good looking UI is. So for example, we could just come here and click on web here and let it load. There's a bunch of different templates we could pick from here. A lot of them are pro, so if it says pro, you need the pro. But if it doesn't, then you don't need the pro to download the files. So let's just scroll here and find something that looks pretty decent. So I found this. This looks pretty cool. It has a little background animation and it looks very professional. So I'm gonna try and recreate this template. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the bottom right here. My webcam's actually hiding it, so let me move that. All right, and at the bottom right here, there's going to be this code options button. You're just gonna click that and click save HTML file, and we're also gonna copy the code. Once you do that, we're gonna go straight back to Google AI Studio, and we're just gonna prompt it, build this, and we're just gonna copy and paste the code into there, and then we're also gonna add the HTML file that we downloaded. So that's literally all you have to do. Then we click build, and we wait for it to rebuild the website. It takes a bit of time, of course, because it has to recode the whole thing, but I'm gonna let it run in the background and I'll come back when it's done. All right, so it just finished. It took a while and I did some back and forth to fix some things, but as you can see, this is the website. Literally looks the exact same. Absolutely insane how closely it got it. I'll show you guys here in full screen. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Pretty much recreated the exact same website, but now we can edit all the code. So the next thing is to do it for your own company. So I made a PDF explaining my company, what I sell, my product, and the service. And I put that all into a PDF. And now I just wrote, now keep the same style, just change the content to my company. And I'm gonna add the PDF into there as a file. So once you do that, I'm just gonna send it off, and that's gonna take a bit of a while as well, but it should restructure the entire website to be more aligned with your brand. All right, and check out how cool this is. Completely changed all the text to be what we wanted for our company. So check this out, more high quality conversions, less manual work, the AI powered client acquisition system, generate leads. It even changed this, leads found, enriched, and contacted. Wow, it's crazy how powerful this is. Replace manual business development, predictable pipeline, and even the graph works, showing you the replies. So it will literally customize the entire website for your company with one single prompt. As you can see here, it even created the different packs. We got the starter pack with 1,000 verified leads, AI email writing. This can obviously all be customized as well. So this is really, really nice. You can literally launch a really clean website branded overnight and start running ads to it. So that's pretty cool if you have the HTML and all that, but I do want to show you another way you can achieve something similar, even if you have the reference not from Aura, but you just saw a website you like. So let me show you how you can do that. So for example, if you have a landing page, something like this, you can easily recreate this even without the HTML and all that. All you need is an extension called Go Full Page, and then once you click on that extension, it's just going to take a screenshot of the entire page. Another way you could do this if there's animations is you're actually able to screen record while you're scrolling, and then you can open Gemini and then post that video into there and then ask it to explain the style of the website that you recorded. So all we're going to do here is we're going to save this file right here as a PNG, and then let's go into Google AI Studio, paste in, oh, that's the wrong thing. I'm just gonna drag and drop the screenshot in there. So I provided you with a screenshot of a landing page. Recreate this landing page with the same style. Try to recreate everything one-to-one, and just gonna send that off. So as you can see, super simple, plain English, no coding required. And I'm gonna let this load and show you guys what it looks like once it loads. All right, and it just finished. Now, obviously this isn't going to be perfect, because we don't have the actual HTML, but as you can see, it put a lot of placeholders, but it got the general style very similarly. It even added some animations, and obviously you can change the pictures with your own pictures, your own testimonials, but the overall style and everything was recreated quite nicely. As you can see, it's the entire website, and then all you have to do is kind of just talk to it back and forth to make little changes so that it's actually for your business with the images you'd like. But as you can see, this is how you can clone any website using AI, no matter how intricate it is. This is super easy and you can do it super fast. Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy this video and learn something new today. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and a subscribe. Also, if you do want to learn more about AI automations, you can go down in the description below and join my school. I have a bunch of resources there teaching you from simple things to even more in-depth workflows. Also, if you want me to help you land your first AI agency client, please book a call with me down below and I can show you my entire automated outreach lead gen system that I can copy over for you guys. But either way, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and see y'all in the next one. Peace!